All right, guys, we are here today at 25069 West Dove Gap here in Buckeye, Arizona. This is the front of the home. We'll just take a quick look around. It's a beautiful neighborhood. I love all the trees. It's super quiet, not to mention. I mean, it is a prime location. Also, you get this beautiful tree here in the front yard, but you also have rocks, so it's very low maintenance, but it still looks amazing because you have all the bushes, all of that stuff. So we'll take a step around. Another thing I like is you have more of a private entry, so your front door is actually going to be over here on the side of the home. Again, beautiful bushes, all the landscaping coming back through here. So this allows, it's more of like a private feel. You could even say it adds more security to the home. Not that you need it, because this area is beautiful. Again, one more view from the front over here. And we will take a step inside. And one thing you'll notice right off the bat is this red wall, which the camera doesn't really do it justice. On the camera, it comes across more like a bright red, but really it's almost like a deep, say like a wine red, you could say. It actually looks amazing in here. So the camera does not do that justice. And we'll step over here. This could be say like a little living room, family room. Get a nice big window over here. You do get a ceiling fan in here, which is a nice touch. Again, they like to carry this red accent wall all throughout. And then the beautiful, beautiful flooring, brand new carpet all throughout this living area. It is amazing. So those are some bedrooms back there, but we're going to take a look over here first. As you can see, a kitchen right over here, nice and spacious. Again, all the appliances will stay, all the stainless steel fridge, all of that stuff. I mean, this fridge is amazing. This is one of those fridges where you can actually see through it. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but you can see through the door to see what you do have in the fridge. It's a nice touch. As well as all the light from all of these windows and the nice lighting from the ceiling. I mean, it is very bright in here. It's kind of a little bit of a cloudier day, and it's still very, very bright in here. So this is the master. We're going to save that for last, like usual. We're going to take a step this way. And as you can see, you have a own private laundry room, which is, again, a nice touch because a lot of these homes, the laundry is kind of thrown in, like, say, the kitchen or an area like that. But you actually get your own little room here. And they're not stacked, which is, again, a nice touch. You have plenty of space in there. Then we'll step down this hallway into the first bedroom, which is very large. And look at this window. So this is back to the front of the home. This is the tree that we looked at from the start. I mean, talk about a nice view for a guest bedroom. Again, 2 full doors of storage over here, plenty of closet space. And then we'll step back into the hallway, and you can see there's a door here. This is actually going to be your garage, which you could call it like a 2-car extended. You could even really call it a 3-car garage if you like, because you can see how far back that goes. So you could easily fit 2 cars right here, and then one on this side as well, with plenty of space left over. You can see they've kind of had it as like a little workshop area, storage. And you can see there's another door over there, which we'll visit a little bit later on. But we will step back inside. So this is the bedroom we just looked at. We're going to come back this way, past your laundry room. And then this is the living area. We're going to take a quick left. So you get a beautiful full guest bathroom. So you can see you get the shower. Beautiful in here. Storage behind the door. I mean, you don't even know it's there until you use it. And we'll step back this way. Another massive storage closet. Goes all the way down there. You can use this for coats, anything you like. Right next to the front door as well. So it's very convenient. It's also right next to the garage. So we noticed we came through the garage door right there down the hallway. There was another door. That's actually going to be this door here. So you have 2 different entryways into your garage. Which I just think is a nice touch, Because say you lived in this bedroom, you only have to walk right here. You don't have to walk all the way around. So it's a nice, convenient touch to this home. Again, second guest bedroom here, the other side. Again, massive closet, beautiful window. I mean, you can see all the light that you get in through here. It's amazing. That's back to the front of the home over there. Again, this beautiful carpet carries all throughout as well. Brand new carpet. And then we're back to the living area. This is the front door. And we're going to take a look at my favorite part of the house, which is the master bedroom. So it's nice, private. It's tucked away over here in the corner, away from all the other bedrooms. So if privacy is something that you do like, this home does provide it. So as soon as you take a step in the doorway, you're going to come into your massive, massive walk-in closet here. I mean, you could put so much stuff in here. Again, the camera does not do it justice on just how big this closet actually is. And then you can see, again, ceiling fan and huge window, plenty of light. What I like about this window is you actually get a view to the backyard, which is a beautiful backyard as well. And then the last thing you're going to notice over here is the private bathroom area. So you get plenty of counter space, nice shower. It has like the low wall on it, so very easy to get in and out of. Beautiful shower in here. And then the last thing we'll take a look at is the backyard. So we're back to the kitchen. We're going to take a step out back. As you can see, you get a cover. Provide a lot of shade when it gets nice and warm here in the summertime. And then I love how it's low maintenance landscaping, but it still looks amazing. So, you don't have to do almost anything back here to maintain this, and it'll still look amazing all year long. Nice little touch they also added is, I don't know if you can see it over there, but there's also one here. So you could play, I forget what the game is called, where you toss the little rings. So it's just a nice built-in touch for the home. You don't even have to add it. It's already there. And then obviously that will stay with the unit. So that is Dove Gap, guys. So I appreciate you touring with me. If you have any questions or want to inquire about the unit, we do have all of our information on our website at rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you for touring with me.